Everybody, here on the front porch of Landers Corner, the little building here at Me McGee Market, Ken Dempsey has come out and he's going to make a burger. Special burger. He's got some ingredients. Basically everything is found here at the market. He's going to go through the process of cooking it. It's going to be pretty easy, but the end result's going to be fantastic. So, using a lot of the Hoff and pepper seasoning, some of our seasonings from Townsend that we've got, and then some of the toppings, the unique things that, again, found here. So, I'm gonna kick that over to him and see how you make this special burger.
Hey guys, Chef Ken Dempsey here. I'm here at the Me McGee Market, one of my favorite places to be. Great people, incredible products, and I'm about to show you how to use some of these products by making a fantastic burger. So let's go. As you can see, we are going to use the cast iron. I was able to fire up the Weber kettle grill because it's hot outside. Why not make it hotter? Let's do it. So it's about 2 pounds total, 1 pound of ground Whole and Family Farms ground beef, and 1 pound of Rabbit Ridge chorizo. I just mixed half and half, patty them up into nice big patties right into my pan. You hear that sizzle, that means you are ready. Get both of them in there. I think we'll try to squeeze 3 of them on there this time. Somebody's not going to get a burger. Logan, that might be you, buddy. There we go. You got to make sure that your cast iron is nice and hot. They work best when they're really hot. Give them a little press. Be sure not to burn yourself. All right, I got those down. Now I'm going to get my Grazer sugar-free beef seasoning here from Me McGee Market. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually their brand. It's amazing. I've tried several of these so far. I'm going to sprinkle a little dust atop. Nice and liberal. This burger is going to have a ton of flavor. So you are not going to be disappointed about the flavor of this burger. That's going to take probably about 10 minutes to cook, about 5 minutes on each side, and then we'll flip it in another 5 minutes and it should be good to go. But since I'm using the kettle, I'm going to put the top on it so the heat will stay inside. In the meantime, I'm going to take one of these heirloom purples because I like tomatoes on my burger. There's a trick to cutting tomatoes, and that's have a really sharp knife. But this tomato is going to be great because it's going to cut through the chorizo, all those flavors that are in there. You really need something to lighten it up, bring the acidity up, to make it a real good feel in your mouth. We're also, the bread that we're going to use, we're going to throw this right on the grill, is Stutzman's Pantry home-style wheat bread. It's already pre-sliced. They have it at the market a lot, but it goes very quickly. So when it's here, when you see that Instagram post, you want to get here and get it really quickly because it doesn't last very long. Oh, look at that, guys. We are going to flip this thing and see what it looks on the underside. It's great. So since we flipped that, I'm going to take my dust again. I'm going to take my beef seasoning again. Dust the other side. Just a little bit. I'm going to move the pan a little closer to the heat. We're going to finish it with the lid off. I need to let those coals get hot again so I can get a good sear on the back side. But it's already smelling fantastic. You can see the chorizo colors. It puffed up nice and big. That's the fat from the chorizo expanding, making the burger big and nice and fat and juicy. It's going to be great with this bread that we're going to put on it. So when this gets done, I'm going to take the bread, I'm going to grill it for a couple of seconds. I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to put a little bit of that barbecue sauce on top of there to finish it off. I'm going to put the tomatoes. I'm going to grab a couple of, I know it's a little different, but these B&B pickles that are actually squash. If you're going to cook and you're going to do something from the market, you might as well do something a little different. And that's definitely different. The flavors will be incredible and eat worthy. All right, guys, I'm going to take the bread. Our burgers are nice and done. Take the bread, these super hot coals. It won't take any more than 30 seconds per side to toast that. And in the end, they're going to look like this. Should be nice and charred on some of the edges. Look at that, it's beautiful. Even has some grill marks. That's when you know you're lucky or good. I don't know which one. Flip them over. Oh yeah, getting toasty. All right, it's time to build that burger. We're gonna take our hot barbecue sauce. If you're a barbecue sauce lover, put a little more on there if you want to. I like it as a compliment, as a condiment to the burger, so just a little. Take my spatula. If you don't have a grill brush or a barbecue brush, spatulas work just fine too. There we go. Let's go over here. This plate. Put our bread down. Burger. Nice tomato. Some of these squash pickles. That, my friends, is how you build a half ground beef, half chorizo burger from Me McGee Market using their pickles, their seasoning, the products that they have all in-house, including the bread. Thank you, guys.
One of the perks of having chefs as friends is you get to eat a whole bunch of really, really good food. A chorizo ground beef burger, it's going to be my first time trying it, but Ken's never done me wrong. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'm going to eat this and get to work.